Now we have for you here this Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, 65 PS. Now the red rocket is in a great condition and it has a good spec as well, including cruise control, ultrasonic front and rear optical and audible parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, along with these 16-inch night alloy wheels. Now moving on, the boot is a decent size, and if it's too high you can put it a bit lower as well. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a multimedia interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.